quick tutorial for English Rose by Paul Weller. Basically made up of two patterns that are very similar that repeat intermittently. Seems like a lot of fancy chord names, really just equates to some lovely sounds. I've nicked some pictures from ukulelehelper.com. I'll leave a link in the description. Wicked little resource for naming chords and exploring the fretboard. Anyway, without further ado, the chorus type bit, English Rose, and I think it's the first verse as well. No matter where I go, I will return to my English Rose, for no bones could ever tempt me from she. Which goes G, and then all you do is you take your second finger off and slide your first finger back for an A7. I put a little bit of fill by putting the second finger back on second fret, first string, making an E-6 if you're interested. So that would go. That's just then to C major 7th, which is single finger, second fret, first string. Then you go to a C major, and there's a bit of interplay between the two. And then you go to a C6, which is pictured somewhere. Then to an A9. Stay on the A9, and then you strum from an A9 to a C6. Then pick the second, and another string of your choosing, depending on which verse and which accent you're looking for. Back to the G. So that's the chorus in the first part. The actual verses run very similar, with a G, A7, C major 7th, G. I sailed the 7 seas, I've flown the whole blue sky, but I return with haste to where my love does lie. No matter where I go, I will return to my English Rose, for no bones could ever tempt me from she. Etc., etc. Enjoy.